Hi AI learners, I welcome you in the next lecture of AI for professionals, and where we are going to specifically talk about ethical consideration in AI. There are certain points you must consider when you start using artificial intelligence. So let's jump into our presentation and see what is ethical consideration of AI. And you are the first who are learning these things in a very step-by-step manner. There are people who are not even learning the basics of ethical consideration, and I feel really sorry for them. So what is AI ethics? AI ethics is the moral principles guiding AI development and use. When it comes to artificial intelligence, you should use it to promote the social bondings and to help your customers to complete your projects, to provide more values to your employers or your team, and to reach to take extra steps to help your customers. But there are some people who are using artificial intelligence in an unethical way. You can say it's an unethical practice. You have by now heard about it, or seen many cases of deepfake and digital arrest. These both are the examples of unethical practices of artificial intelligence. First of all, rethink AI always promote the ethical applications of artificial intelligence. Our company is based on some guiding principles, and we always follow those principles. Okay, so here is my recommendation. When it comes to AI, always think about ethical consideration. So why ethics matters? First of all, it's help you build trust. If you are following some ethical guidelines, maybe if your companies have some guidelines for you, I recommend follow those guidelines. If they have prepared some sort of ethical guidelines or some form of ethical code of conduct for artificial intelligence, you should follow that. Next, please don't use artificial intelligence in any way that can prevent any harm. Okay. And next, always ensure fairness. Okay. If you are working within the team, you are working with the boss, you are working with senior or junior, make sure you have complete transparency in the application of artificial intelligence. And here are three pillars, three parameters you must consider. One, trust; second, responsibility; and third, fairness. If you are using those earlier use cases and with these parameters or ethical values, you will go very high in your career. Ethical consideration is not about just some words or some statements. It's about being the ethical user of artificial intelligence. Okay, so I hope it will help you understanding what is ethical consideration. In next lecture, we will talk about why ethical consideration is so important. So I will see you in the next lecture.